Hi Aries, kamusta kayo? Hope you're all doing well and welcome to 1111 Pinoy Tarot. This is a general reading, not a one-to-one, so hindi po lahat ay makaka-resonate or 100% accurate para sa'yo. Please subscribe, like, comment, and share, and please tap the bell for updates from this channel. Maraming salamat sa'yo Aries. Tingnan natin kung ano yung energy mo or ninyo for the month of October 2024. For Aries, please, Aries. Aries. Energy for Aries, please, for the month of October 2024. October 2024 for Aries. Wow, the sun. Okay. This is blissful joy and happiness na deserve mo. Okay. Well-earned para sa'yo. So, be proud of yourself for the month of October, Aries. Okay? You are feeling hopeful, no? And positive about sa future mo or sa mga susunod na linggo, buwan, or years. Okay? Yung iba sa inyo, ibalik ninyo or ibabalik ninyo yung confidence sa sarili for in the month of October. Good health and vitality. Okay? Yeah. Yung iba sa inyo, you will be sharing good times, mga magagandang moments with your family, yung mga abundance, kasaganahan na matatanggap ninyo. You will be sharing it sa mga pamilya, kaibigan mo. Okay? And ipapa-feel or you will show your love for them. Okay? And you feel loved in return. Yeah. Success, confidence. You are showing strength. Yung iba sa inyo, you will be receiving an award because of your hard work or excellent work. Okay? The sun. Okay? There is a light at the end of the tunnel. As in, parang literal, no? After some difficulties or mahirap na pinagdaanan ninyo, darkness in life, okay, magkakaroon ng kaliwanagan ang inyong path, no? Aries. Messages, energies for Aries in the month of October, please. For Aries. Okay. Wow. Okay. Yeah. So, you will be receiving, makakatanggap kayo ng pabor, money, time, or regalo in the month of October, or increase in salary or pay raise, or even rewards, no, or award. You will be receiving it. You will be recognized. Mabibigyan ka ng atensyon, mapapansin ka, something like that. Okay? Yeah, magkakaroon ka ng more than enough or money na enough para mabayaran mo kung ano mga kailangang bayaran. Okay? Or kung meron kayong ina-applyan ng mga loans, you will be approved, no? Yeah. You will be receiving attention also. Or this is you will be generous, no? Yeah. Yung iba sa inyo, merong mga self-limiting beliefs. You are expecting the worst, most especially sa gabi. Meron mga gumugulo sa isip or sa utak ninyo. Okay, may mga worries. Minsan, mga unnecessary worries ito, Aries. Okay? So, alagaan mo ang iyong sarili. May mga sleepless nights, okay? So, in order for you to receive balance, no? Most especially, if meron kayong mga importante na trabaho, so, kailangan mo ng enough sleep, okay? Para makondisyon ang inyong sarili. If you have business or if you are self-employed, your business is doing well or will be doing well. Okay? You will be enjoying little luxuries in life because of your hard work. malaki na yung naipon ninyo or malaki yung kikitain ninyo for the month of October. Okay? You will be enjoying things. Magbabakasyon ka, spending time in the nature or sa park. Okay? If you are single, you are financially secured or financially independent, no? Yeah. Merong spying and stalking, kumukuha ng mga information about you or tinitingnan ang inyong mga Facebook profiles, Instagram, or kung ano-ano pa. Okay? Yeah. Checking on you, kung anong nangyayari sa inyo. Okay? If you're still single, okay? Or kamusta, successful ka ba sa trabaho mo or in life, no? So, someone is spying, getting information about you, Aries. Okay, yung iba sa inyo, you will be searching information also. Okay. May mga change of plans because of some delays. For some of you, maybe travel to. Okay. Yeah. So, don't give up. Believe in yourself, Aries. Believe na kakayanin mo kung ano man yung mga difficulties or ginagawa mo ngayon na mahirap. Ma-overcome mo yon. Focus ka lang sa anong target or objective ninyo. Okay? Yeah, yung iba sa inyo, meron kayong naisip na mga magagandang ideas, something brilliant, no? So, you're just, focus on that one, sa dreams, sa pangarap ninyo, and take action. Okay? So, fortune is on its way also for you, Aries. Yeah, yung iba sa inyo, merong someone na nag-a-admire sa inyo, younger than you. Yeah. Or maybe someone new, someone younger will enter into your life. Or this is a beginning of a relationship. Okay? You will be confident in the month of October. For some of you, you are defensive or you are on defense mode, no? Palagi. Not palagi, sorry. I mean, in the month of October, merong mga instances or na parang iinit yung ulo mo or magiging aggressive ka or on defense, okay? Or defensive. So, think carefully before you act or before you make a move. Something like that. Yeah. Yeah, yung iba sa inyo, nahihirapan kayo ngayon sa inyong status, most especially sa work. You feel stress, okay, napapagod na, pero you will not or you're not giving up, okay? May mga creative planning, no, na nangyayari. Maybe sa office mo to or sa work. Or your work, parang nagre-require yung work mo ng working with other people or with your colleagues. Isang teamwork, no. Merong planning, pag-uusap. For some of you, ikaw yung mas nakakaalam. You are the consultant. You are the, a boss. Or someone na nag-specialize ng something. Meron kang forte. Okay? And they will be listening to you. Okay? So, nakikita nila yung alam mo, that you are expert, or may alam ka sa iyong ginagawa, no? So, marirecognize nila yon. Yeah. You are being witty, intelligent, smart. You will be direct to the point, Aries, pagdating sa work. Yeah. You know also what you want. Alam mo kung anong direction yung gusto mo or tatahakin. Okay. You are not accepting flaws or errors, something like that. magiging direct ka and communicative kung ano yung gusto mo. Okay? You will be giving instruction. Yeah. For some of you, there is someone that is feeling left out in the cold. Or maybe you are lonely. For some of you, you will be lonely in the month of October. Merong someone na I think this is not you. Merong someone na parang hindi mo napapansin or hindi mo nabibigyan ng attention and they need you. Okay? They want you. They need your company. They need your help. Most especially in finances or money. Aries. Yeah. For some of you, merong mga economic setbacks na mararamdaman in the month of October. But know the wisdom of asking help. Okay? Hindi ka nag-iisa. Yeah. Merong also, for some of you, you will be holding on tight sa pera mo. Okay? It's like you don't want to spend. You will be, tawag doon? Yung, hindi naman pagkuripot, but you are saving your money. Parang you don't want to spend it na basta-basta lang or ibibigay yung basta-basta lang. You have a lot of dreams, no? Meron kang gustong gawin sa pera mo. Something like that. Maybe real estate, a home. Yeah. Okay. Yung iba sa inyo, you might be dealing with an air sign or an air sign, a fire sign. Pag sinabing air sign, Gemini, Libra, and yung isa? Gemini, Libra, Aquarius. And fire sign, Leo, Sagittarius, and Aries. Yeah. They will be communicating to you. And they need your attention. But it seems for you, Aries, parang ayaw mong bigyan ng attention. You are protecting yourself for some of you. From this person or something like that. Okay. Just take what resonates for you, Aries. Kita pa. Yun. Okay. Yeah, merong someone na gusto ka or crush ka. Okay, they like you. Yeah, and you are showing confidence, most especially when it comes sa status or sa posisyon mo, okay, sa trabaho mo. Yeah. When it comes to money, wala kang problema or yeah. Okay, there is success. Alright, tingnan natin additional messages for Aries. Happiness, okay? Merong kasiyahan, you will feel fulfilled, joy in the month of October. Ring. A marriage will take place, either romantic or business. Yeah. Yung iba sa inyo, someone will enter into your life, okay? A new relationship, or a new business venture, no? A partner. You will be collaborating with someone, for some of you. Aries, working with someone younger than you. Mais, discord among friends or family. Okay, merong discord, no? Pagde-detach sa family or friends. Okay? In the month of October. So, maybe yun yung mga worries na naisip mo at night. You are overthinking. May mga self-fulfilling prophecies kayo. Na parang you are expecting the worst in everything or in a situation. Okay? Maybe a family matter. Aries, please, Aries. Merong spring. Your desires fully manifest as the flowers begin to bloom. Okay, so you will be manifesting your dreams. Okay. Yeah. During springtime. Whom do you need to forgive? As you release old anger or resentment, you will find that your wishes will come true. So sometimes kung itong anger na to, mga blessing blocker, no? Kung meron tayong mga old anger or resentment with friends or families, sometimes yun yung energy na nagpa-block sa atin to receive or to make our wish come true. Okay? So, forgive. Let go. Kung ano man yung mga resentments na yan. If needed, or spiritual teacher. Your life purpose involves teaching others about healing and spirituality. Yeah, yung iba sa inyo, you are spiritually gifted. Meron kayong kakayahan, no? Meron kayong kakayahan spiritually makapagbigay ng tulong, no, and enlightenment sa mga tao. Okay? Tingnan natin. Aries. Yun yung life purpose ninyo. Na kailan pa, for some of you, kailan pa i-discover. You have heightened intuition. And it's time also for you to umpisahan mo yung, or i-follow kung ano man yung life purpose mo na yon as spiritual teacher. Abundance mindset. If you think of your abundance as something that happens in the future, then it will always be one day away from you. See, feel, think, and speak of abundance as something you already have in the present moment. And that is what you will experience. Okay, parang i-claim mo na yung abundance na yan. Abundance mindset. Spirit messages, please. For Aries. Ooh. If you think you are alone, you are not. We are beside you in all challenges that you face. Trust that outside sources will always be working with you to ensure the best outcome in every situation. We have your best interest at heart. We love you. Okay? So are you are supported, no, by the divine. Okay? They are working with you spiritually. May mga protectors ka spiritually. May mga guardian angels. Okay? So, Aries, these are the messages for you. All the best. Maraming salamat and see you on the next video. Bye!